Hello! 79 bucks?
Come on, man.
It's that time once again where we feature another set of truly wireless earbuds. Now, OnePlus has dabbled in the wireless game, but this is the first time that they've actually gone in and did a truly wireless set of earbuds. So straight out the gate, you can get these from Amazon for 79 bucks. That's right, not $179, not $279, $79. So with your purchase, you'll get up to 30 hours of powerful sound, and that includes, the charges from the earbuds and the case. But each earbud by itself, if they're fully charged, you can listen to them straight for up to 7 hours. So almost a full work day of listening. Now they say that these are noise canceling, not active noise canceling, just regular noise canceling, which refers to environmental noise while calling or recording. Now, as far as sound quality goes, they say you're gonna enjoy richer tones, clearer vocals, and deep bass, thanks to a 13.4mm dynamic driver. Experience 3D stereo with Dolby Atmos and stunning surround sound with direct audio tuner support. These things say that they're easy to use, which we like. Tailor-made for intuitive taps, music at your fingertips. And these babies are synced for real-time sound. Experience industry-leading low latency pairing when you connect your OnePlus Buds to your OnePlus phone while you are playing games. But that about wraps up the brief synopsis on their website. Now let's check out the box. So on the front of the box here, we got a picture of the buds as well as their case. Also, we have some branding, OnePlus Buds. This color that I got is white. And the reason why I got the white is because it was the quickest color that I can get, to my home. This side of the box, it says easy to use, sound quality, environmental noise canceling, and 30 hours endurance with warp charge. These things are gonna charge up fast. On the back of the box, not much going on back here. Talks about the product, the model number, and all that good stuff. And on the red side, same thing as on the white side. Simple, basic, easy box. Some people prefer a nice unboxing experience. I like it, but then again, 79 bucks, just give me a piece of cardboard with the buds inside. I mean, geez. So let's crack it open and see what we got inside. All right, so we pop open the box and it looks like we're greeted with the case and the buds should be located inside. We'll put that to the side for right now. Underneath that, looks like we got a user guide, a Type-C cable, and safety information and warranty. So here they are, a very, very small USB-A to USB-C charging cable, red and white, typical OnePlus fashion, durable, good for the long haul. And then under that, it says, enjoy your new buds. So the moment of truth is here. Let's get out them buds. So the first thing that I thought of when I picked up this case is, it reminds me a lot of the Google Pixel Buds, that case and how that's designed. I enjoyed the case, I enjoyed the design, but as we know, I did not enjoy the buds. So hopefully this has a different outcome. Looks like we have an LED up front, letting us know if it's charging, if it needs to be charged, and all that other good stuff. Underneath, that's gonna be our USB Type-C charging port. On the back, that looks like it's gonna be our reset button or our pairing button. Underneath that button, it says designed by OnePlus. And looks like we got a reinforced hinge right here, so should be durable. Now let's flick her open. Okay. Definitely. Okay, it's definitely, if you flick it open, it kind of does, it opens by itself. It's got some resistance back here, so it's not gonna close without you actually, putting some pressure down to close it. So, okay. Looks like inside we got some molded plastic. The hinge looks like it's metal or aluminum or something a little more durable than just plastic, which is always nice. And here we have our buds. So first off, the design. I'm not a huge fan of this design. I don't care for it that much. But then again, it's OnePlus and it's 79 bucks. I'm a big fan of OnePlus and what they're doing. So I figured, I'll give it a shot and see, if it's worth the money. So it seems like the buttons are touch sensitive, which is nice. It is a plastic design and feel. They don't feel heavy at all. They feel pretty lightweight. At the bottom, when you put them in the case, that's where it's gonna charge. And there's probably some microphones in there as well. Yeah, I'm not sure if those are proximity sensors or if that's a microphone, or if that's just a vent or not. We'll have to test it out. But yeah, very AirPod light in design. So yeah, we'll find out if they're worth the money. So here they are once again in the case, and let's see if they're magnetically connected. Oh yeah, those aren't going anywhere. Those are on there very tight. Nice. So the next thing to do is the fun part. So let's pair these babies up and see what we got. I'll be right back with you. Oh man, and the things I do for you guys is I just got inside from testing these earbuds outside, and as of this recording, you know, it seems like California is just burning to the ground. It is nasty outside, so I'm gonna enjoy my indoor air. You know what I mean? But I got to test, you know, do my usual tests and stuff, and I got a good understanding as to what this thing is good at and what this thing is not good at. So let's start off with the good things. So first thing will have to be easy pairing connection, simple. All you do is you press this button on the back and then you have it close to your OnePlus phone. Asterisk OnePlus phone, it's only gonna work with, you know, those devices. I believe the OnePlus 6 and then any newer devices, it'll do that on, but yeah, real simple, real easy to pair, and you're good to go. Another good thing that actually kind of surprised me is, you know, I wasn't sure with the design of these if the sound was going to be any good, but surprisingly the sound is really good. I mean, the bass is good, the mids and the highs are good, everything is crystal clear, even at max volume. Everything was real nice, no distortion whatsoever. Connection to my device, to my OnePlus 7 Pro, excellent as well. I didn't have any issues with the sound or anything like that. It was really good. Another good thing is, just like they said on the box, 0 latency issues whatsoever, no lag while watching YouTube videos, no lag, you know, while playing games, nothing like that. It's very good and it's on point. And another thing that, you know, it said that it was good at, and surprisingly it was very good at, it was call quality. The call quality on this was excellent. It did a good job at drowning out the outside noise, the outside fans and all that stuff. It did a good job at picking up my voice. I could hear the person I was talking to. I can hear them loud and clear. It was a great call. But while we're talking about call quality, let's move over to the bad side. So yes, the call was good, but there's a
little butt in there.
Well, actually, a big butt.
It depends if it's going to annoy you or not. It does to me. Just like with the Galaxy Buds Live, when I mentioned that there's like a boop every now and again with the voice, that was a little bit more noticeable with these than it was with the Galaxy Buds Live. But then again, $79. I mean, it is what it is. It's a lot better than the, what, $169 or $170, $180, whatever it is for the Galaxy Buds Live, you know. This is $100 less. So another negative, you know, the design. Now I know that design probably, you know, helps with microphone and placement of the microphone and picking up your voice and all that stuff because of the long stem. But this plastic pencil design that sticks out of your ear, one, I don't care about it. I don't care for it, the design. But two, they don't stay in my ear.
How dare you!
I had serious issues with the right earbud, and the left earbud towards the end of my call was beginning to fall out as well. So this is not a one size fits all. This will not fit everybody's ear. Just a FYI. And another downer, I don't mean to be a Debbie Downer, but the touchpads, they were surprisingly not good. I don't know. Like when I initially paired them up to my phone, the touchpads weren't working. So that was a strike. But then I restarted my phone, I restarted the earbuds, and then they did work. But they didn't work as accurate as I am typically used to in regards to these truly wireless earbuds. And I don't know. It's a, well, here, let me show you. So this right here is your touch panel. Not the whole earbud, not the stem, just that circle right there is your touch panel. And it's not as responsive as I would like it to be. I don't know if anybody else is having issues with their touch panel. I don't know, maybe this one's kind of a dud. I don't know, but it's definitely not as responsive as I would like it to be. Oh, but since I got the earbud out, it does have proximity sensor, so that is a good thing. So when you do put them in your ear, it will play music or your video that you're watching. And if you take it out, it will pause the music or video that you're listening to. So we'll put that on the good side. But I mean, overall, for OnePlus's first swing at this, they have there's some room to grow. There's definitely some room to grow, and I think maybe with Generation 2, they may fix a lot of these problems, and as long as they can keep the price $99 or less, then Generation 2 might be the better pickup. You might want to wait for that. But if this sounds like something that you may be interested in, or if you have any other questions, or maybe there's something that I forgot to go over that you would like me to go over, don't hesitate. Just leave a comment down below, and I'll definitely get back to you as soon as I can. So if you're ready to buy or would like more information on the OnePlus Buds, leave a comment down below or click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things handsome gadgets. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up before you leave, as it definitely helps out the channel quite a bit. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram @HandsomeGadgets. Thank you and have a good one.